Hello students, let's read this question. A uniform tube closed at one end and contains a fillet of mercury 10 cm long. When the tube is kept vertically with the closed end upward and the length of air column trapped is 20 cm, find the length of air column trapped when the tube is inverted so that closed end goes down and atmospheric pressure is 75 cm of mercury. So we have to find out the length of air column when the tube is inverted. Okay, so let's start this question. For first case, our air column is closed from upward direction, just like this. And here is our mercury pellet whose length is 10 centimeter. And this is 20 centimeter. Let here volume is V1. Okay, for first case, net pressure on air in volume V1 is net pressure on air in volume V1 is, let this pressure will be P1, so which is equal to P atmosphere minus of rho of mercury into H into G. Okay, P atmosphere is 75 centimeter of mercury, so which is rho Hg into G minus H is 10 centimeter. Here is H is 10 centimeter and rho Hg minus of into G, which gives P1 is equal to 75 rho G and 10 rho G. 75 minus 10 is 65 rho G, rho of mercury into G. And now our case second is that our uniform tube will be inverted just like this. And here is our mercury pellet having length 10 centimeter. This length is 10 centimeter. And we don't know about this, so let's take it H. We have to find out the length of air column, trap this. Okay, let the volume here is V2. So for case 2, net pressure on air in volume V2 is pressure is P2 here, P atmosphere plus rho of mercury into H into G. P atmosphere is 75 rho Hg into G plus H is here also 10 and rho of mercury into G. 75 rho G plus 10 rho G is equal to 85 rho G. Rho of mercury into G. So here is pressure P2. So our whole system will be in equilibrium. So P1 is equal to P2. Sorry, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 because both are at same temperature. So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 for ideal gas. So P1 is 65 rho of mercury into G and volume for this is A into 20. P2 is 85 rho of mercury into G and volume of this is A into H. Rho Hg cancel out by rho Hg, G is cancel out by G, and A is cancel out by A, which gives 65 into 20, which is equal to 85 H. So H is equal to 65 into 20 divided by 80, which is approximately equal to 15.2 centimeter. Or you can say that H is equal to 15 centimeter. So the length of air column trapped when the tube is inverted is 15 centimeter. I hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.